If you're reading every single word, congratulations, you're already losing the exam. Competitive exams don't test your reading speed, they test your ability to not drown in words. Today I will show you how toppers read 3 times faster without skipping meaning. And yes, no eye gymnastics, no magic powers, just science. Hey everyone, I am Vaishnavi, your resident voracious reader, RC strategist and part-time pun collector. If reading slowly is your weakness, consider this your superhero training. Think of words as popcorn. You're not supposed to eat them one kernel at a time. Today's video will blend neuroscience, exam psychology and a bit of AI wizardry to fix your reading once and for all. Here's the truth. Most students don't have a reading problem, they have a method problem. You fixate on every single word as if it's a family photo. You sub-vocalize, which is reading in your head like a shy audiobook. Your eyes keep jumping backwards. These are called regressions. You panic when the passage looks too long. Hello, cognitive overload. Toppers don't read faster, they read smarter. When you read, your eyes stop 3 to 4 times per line. That's normal. But average readers stop 10 to 12 times per line. That's like driving from Delhi to Noida and taking 43 chai breaks. To read 3 times faster, you need to decrease fixation count, increase chunk size, reduce regression. So here's the science behind it. Your brain doesn't read letters. Your brain reads shapes and patterns and groups of words at a time. Instead of the cat sat on the mat, your eyes should grab the cat sat on the mat in 1 or 2 fixation. So let me introduce you to my VCR framework, the only VCR framework that actually moves forward instead of rewinds. V is for visual skills. Use peripheral vision training. Peripheral vision is your range of sight when you look in a straight line. 120 degrees is human's peripheral vision and 6 degrees of field work. That means 5 words at a time you can see, but we choose to see only 1. Here's a micro exercise for you. C stands for cognitive skills. Your eyes move fast only when your brain understands fast. This is why toppers read simple text for years. It builds semantic muscles. Read with anticipation. Mentally prepare for future events by imagining possibilities. Try to activate your schema. When you read and recall, apply your existing knowledge and experiences to connect with and understand new information. For example, when you're learning about GDP, recall about the nation's economic state and the monetary growth. Reduce sub-vocalization. Sub-vocalization is like narrating a cricket match in your head. Fun, but slow. Finally, R is for retention skill. Do a mental summary at each paragraph break. Anchor the theme. Note it down somewhere as soon as it clicks. Follow the paragraph's logical structure. Intro, details, conclusion to get the general idea of each para. Let's put the above VCR technique to test, shall we? 30 seconds chunking drill. Here you will get 3 to 4 words cluster. Difficulty will increase gradually. Regression elimination exercise. Follow the bouncing pointer. No backwards jump allowed. Tempo drill. 300 words per minute. $350 words per minute. 400 words per minute. Minutes theme extraction drill. You can pause the video for 2 minutes, read the passage, and then extract the theme. A long passage doesn't mean that it's going to be hard. It just means that the paper setter got paid per word. Scan the structure, not details. Don't stop at unknown words. Don't try to remember everything. Don't reread unless absolutely necessary. Every topper I have interviewed, be it for CAT or CLAT, has one thing in common. They read a lot and they read smart. Develop a reading habit. Start with 10 pages. It can be of any genre. It can be philosophy, economics, science. And do not read for pleasure. Read for pattern recognition. I have created a 7-day free reading challenge using the VCR framework. If you follow it exactly, you will see at least a 2.2 times improvement and many reach 3 times. Download the PDF challenge from the description. Comment speed if you want the next video to be on speed and accuracy. If slow reading is a crime, you have officially escaped the sentence.